has a rod strap on here right now, so it doesn't like come off or something. And back brakes just need a little thing that goes, like the pads that go around it, and a brake line and lever.
It's the wheel, ugly wheel job I did. I got this pole. This one had broke right there. It's the one I got. We installing the 212 on here. It's loose right now. I gotta tighten up the bolts, raise the engine up a little bit. We gotta tighten down everything. It's all still loose. We put a brake lever on here and a line. We need to put the throttle cable on there. And that'd be pretty much it. We'll be doing that right there. We'll be back with the little update we're running. It's the brake line, the little cable. We'll make sure everything's straight. It's the one I had welded, painted it a little bit. It's just gonna be a riding bike. This is gonna be straight street. And this one just gonna be off-roading or whatever, ride with the kids. So yeah, just put the engine on the carburetor, the brake line, throttle, a little kill switch. I still need to hook that up. The brake lever. I'm gonna throw some gas and hopefully it'll start. A new torque right on that too. A new chain. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.